Today, I'm going to teach you how to train a Jotform AI agent to answer FAQs. This is incredibly useful if you want to automate customer support and provide instant answers to common questions your visitors might have. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account dashboard. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Agents. This section is where you'll manage all your AI agents and create new ones tailored to specific purposes. In the upper left corner of the My Agents page, you'll find a button that says Create Agent. Click on it to start building your new AI assistant. You'll be presented with several template options designed for different use cases. These might include customer support, feedback, recruitment, or appointment scheduling. Choose the one that best matches your needs by clicking on it. After selecting your template, click Send to proceed with the setup. Now you'll need to wait a few seconds while Jotform loads and initializes your new AI agent. Once the AI agent builder loads, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a tab labeled Train. Click on it to access the training interface. This is where the real customization happens, allowing you to teach your AI agent exactly how to respond to specific questions. In the left panel, you'll notice a section called Knowledge Base. Within this section, locate and click on Questions and Answers. This is where you'll input all the FAQs you want your AI agent to handle automatically. Now it's time to add your first FAQ. In the question input box, type the exact question you want your AI agent to recognize. For example, you might type something like, "What are your office hours?" Make sure the question is phrased naturally, the way a real customer would ask it. Next, you'll need to select the answer type from the drop-down menu. Jotform offers several options here, including text, show list of items, show video, or show images. Choose the format that best suits the type of answer you want to provide. For most straightforward FAQs, text works perfectly. If you selected text as your answer type, you'll now see a field where you can provide your detailed response. Take your time here to write a clear, informative answer that fully addresses the question. The more comprehensive your answer, the more helpful your AI agent will be to your visitors. Finally, click the Save button to store this FAQ in your AI agent's knowledge base. Your AI agent is now trained to recognize this question and provide the answer you've configured whenever someone asks it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.